Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud storage fault. So in order to fix that, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the settings, click on your avatar icon or your account on Apple, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on iCloud. As you can see right here, you're going to see 23 gigabytes is taken from my space. I'm going to just go ahead and click manage account storage, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click the backup. If you have more than one phone on Apple, just go ahead and click on that specified phone, and then just go ahead and click turn off and delete from iCloud, and turn off iCloud backup on that device and delete all of your devices backup stored in the cloud. So that's one way to do it. And you can go back right here to the manage account storage, and you're gonna be able right here to see the many apps. Just go ahead and click, for example, the notes, and then delete from iCloud, and the same goes for every unnecessary app on your iCloud. So as you can see right here, this is Garage Band. I'm gonna just go ahead and delete it from my iCloud and remove the app data from my iPhone. All right, another way, or the last way to actually pull this off, you could just go back to your screen and go ahead to the photos, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and start deleting the photos and media that you have on iPhone by selecting 1 2 3 4, or you can select all by clicking right here. No, you can't select all, but basically you can just go ahead and select many unnecessary photos, and then just go ahead and hit delete, and you're gonna delete those items, and we're gonna delete them permanently. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.